There is a new ride type. Finally, this is what we all been waiting for, Lyft. Thank you for listening. Stay tuned.
I like a new Lincoln with all of its class.
What is going on, guys? It's Louis, aka Kumatara from my green peoples, and welcome to Wrenchettes, where not only I work on this beautiful G35, but life as well. Today we're going to work on life. We're going to talk about Lyft. Now, Lyft just sent me an email here. There is a new ride type. Finally, this is what we all been waiting for, Lyft. Thank you for listening. Stay tuned. And the email reads, introducing Shared Saver. Yay! We want Shared Saver. We want Shared Saver. Wow, this is great. Okay, and the email reads, at a glance, no change to your pay. Great. Easier pickups. Now this is what changed. Now passengers walk to an easier pickup spot, so you don't have to circle the block or navigate a tricky route. We will notify passengers in their app if they need to walk to you or to the final destination. Look at that. Sounds like VIA. How it works. This is how it works, if you didn't understand what I just said. We share with Shared Saver rides, passenger might need to walk a few blocks to meet you. They just said that. If your passenger is walking to meet you, we'll notify you in the driver app. Similarly, if they need to walk to reach their destination, we'll let you know. Now, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I was being sarcastic. Oh my. Didn't they have to walk to you sometimes before anyways? And they still call you, hey, I don't know where I'm at. Can you come pick me up here? I don't know this city. Can you please come pick me up? I really don't know about other markets, but New York City, they are the mecca of being lazy. If you like share rides and this might be a good thing for you, then hey, by all means, be happy. But just take into account that now you have to explain to people the new rules, and if they're idiots, they're gonna start arguing with you, because now they're gonna have to walk even further, and they're not gonna be happy. I don't know. Until next time, guys. Stay safe out there. We want Shared Saver. We want Shared Saver.